We looked around the area for flooring stores, but we'd driven by the Big Thumbs Up on Route 1 for Flooring America and thought that was whimsical, and we decided to try there. From the moment we walked into Flooring America, they took care of us. Scott met us, introduced us to all of the different materials and all the different colors that we could consider, and then left us alone to explore. Then he came back with a consultation and ultimately came to the house with some of those samples, which was really helpful for us to see it in our own place. We chose the luxury vinyl plank mainly because we have a 100-pound Rottweiler, and we were a little concerned with his wear and tear. The finished product is beautiful. It complements everything that we do, which is quite a bit. We both work from home. We have a house full of artists, and everything complements all of our activities. Flooring America hit all the right notes.